Today we're looking at the Lateral Earth Pressure Interactive Calculator, which determines soil pressures acting on retaining walls. The calculator has a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 6 options: Active Pressure Rankine Theory, Passive Pressure Rankine Theory, Active Pressure Coulomb Theory, At-Rest Pressure, Resultant Force and Location, and Required Wall Height for given force. For this demonstration, I'm using Active Pressure Rankine Theory. The input fields are wall height h, unit weight of soil gamma, angle of internal friction phi, and cohesion c, surcharge load q, wall inclination beta, wall friction angle delta, backfill slope I, and target resultant force. Let's work through an example. I'll enter wall height of 6 meters, unit weight of soil 18 kilonewtons per cubic meter, angle of internal friction 30 degrees, cohesion 10 kilopascals, surcharge load 10 kilopascals, wall inclination 10 degrees, wall friction angle 20 degrees, and backfill slope 10 degrees. After clicking Calculate, the results show a pressure coefficient K of 0.3333, maximum pressure sigma H of 27.79 kilopascals, resultant force P of 58.72 kilonewtons per meter, and force location Z bar at 2.00 meters from base. These values help engineers design safe retaining walls. Find the link in the description below.